Now it's not audible.
Yes, ma'am, now audible.
Okay, I told anybody of you have seen your syllabus? Okay, let me share it with you. Is it visible? Module 1, module 2 we have completed. Yesterday I have completed module 3. And that Bayesian network is similar to you, that is tree-like structure decision tree. Today only we will discuss overview of different forms of learning. Also we have discussed introduction to natural language processing. With this your course will be covered. Okay, so you have only overview of different forms of learning only. So so there just you will be asked like what is supervised learning, what are the types of machine learning techniques, and this much only. What is with one example you have to write down. You have to write only 2 to 3 lines. Okay, just you have nothing. Listen, machine learning is itself a very vast area. Okay, it itself is one subject, but here it is written as one of the chapter, that is overview or introduction. So nothing deeply you have to go. Okay, just listen to me. In case of your wait yes. So initially, what we were doing, in case suppose to perform a task, we were writing the program, and after that we give data as input, and we were supposed to get the output. Okay, but in case of your machine learning, here you don't worry about program. Okay, your model or your machine will learn from the data you give. So here more and more you provide the data to your model. Your model, that means your model will learn from those data. That means it will observe those data and it will predict the output. Okay, what may be the output. Okay, here you are least concerned with the program or code. Okay, so we can say that obviously this machine learning is one of the field of our artificial intelligence, and I have told you that we are surrounded by humans who can learn anything from their experience, and we can gain our knowledge, but computer can't gain experience, no. So computer can learn experience from its previous data like human does. Okay, so we can say that it enables machine to automatically learn from data. After learning from data, it will improve its improve its performance from its past experience, and the model can model can predict the things without being explicitly programmed. Okay, so we are saying that data is training data, the data that we are providing to that machine to that will learn from its own experience. That data we call it as training data. Okay, we provide this to the model, and that will help to predict or for decision making without explicitly being programmed. Okay, so we can say that a machine has the ability to learn if it improve its performance by gaining more data. The more data you give, more accurate output you will get. Okay, so three types of machine translation system, machine learning techniques we have. One is our supervised, another one is unsupervised, third one is our reinforcement learning. Okay, you may write like if you will be asked what is machine learning, you may write 2 to 3 points, what are the application of machine learning. Listen, everywhere you can apply machine learning, no, self-driving car, cyber fraud detection, face recognition, recommended system, in all these things machine learning technique can be employed. So, I was saying that it is classified into three types: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. In case of your supervised learning, also you have discussed regarding supervised learning. It is a type of learning in which we provide the data to the machine learning system in order to train it, and on the basis it can predict the output. That means what, suppose for real
Ma'am, your
life
voice is low.
now also.
Ma'am, now it's okay.
Okay, suppose I will be giving
मैम
you
मैम
some.
से सुपरवाइज्ड लर्निंग रू टिके स्टार्ट करिवे कि आउथरे
Okay. So supervised learning is a type of learning in which we provide the data to the machine learning system to train that system, and on the result it can predict the output. Okay, so that means what, you have to understand the data set. Once the training data is processed, then we can test the model by providing a sample data. Okay, to sample data to check whether it is predicting the exact output or not. Suppose for example I will say or you are given some fruits, okay, and and the data you are given that if the shape of a fruit is round, and if its color is red, and if its size is this much, then you can say that it is apple. Okay, so with that very much you will be given very much training data. Okay, so after that you will learn from this experience. Okay, and after that you can predict the output. Okay, so everything will be given, data will be given, everything will be given, and you the model, its task is to only predict the output only, whether it is apple or not. Okay, if all these things are satisfying, then whether it is apple or not. So more and more data you give, more accurate result you will get. Okay, but in case of your unsupervised learning, no, yes, another one case, it is also divided into two categories. One is classification, another one is regression. Again, under classification and under regression, so many algorithms are there, but as it is mentioned that overview of machine learning, so no need to go in deeply. Okay, under classification so many algorithms are there. Okay, then coming to our unsupervised learning, in this case machine learns. In supervised learning also machine will learn, in unsupervised also machine will learn, but without any supervision. In that case with supervision we were giving the data. Okay, in this case also we will be giving the data, but the data will not be labeled. Okay, but that will not be labeled. So here we can say that it is divided into two parts. One is your clustering, another one is your association. Listen, in this case you will give data, but you will not give any supervision. In that case you are giving data, but that was under your supervision, that you were giving that the color should be red, size should be this thing. Okay, then that is your apple. Okay, so we can say that in case of your supervised learning, it is easy to predict the output, but in this case it will be difficult to predict the output, but by more training data it can predict the output only. So it is again divided into two types. One is your clustering, another one is your association. Okay, so next one is your reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning, otherwise called as feedback based learning method. in which a learning agent gets reward for everything. Okay, suppose you are doing anything that it somebody was saying, no, suppose you are doing anything, you will be rewarded or you will get penalized. Okay, same that will happen in case of your machine also. Okay, so this thing only you will just get 2 marks question hardly from either supervised or unsupervised or reinforcement learning or types of machine learning. Okay, so that is the thing. So you people, all of you, whatever that I have told you in your last to last class, that I will share it with you. And if you have, you start reading, and if you have any doubt, then you can ask me. I will take your doubt clearing class. Okay, but with this, your syllabus is over. Okay. All of you listening or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Prashanjit, whatever this attendance you have taken, you just you just group them into a single file. Okay, arrange them in a single file and send it to me, to my Gmail. Okay. Prashanjit or Soumya, whoever is present. Nobody is there. Okay, inform Prasanjit or Soumya to send me your assignment. Sorry, your attendance. Also, yes, I forgot about this thing. I have given you many assignments also. Okay, next week on 13. No, 13. Yes, 18. On 18, you have to submit your assignment. Okay, write down in your copy. You just. Okay, you are coming to college. No, you will come to college from 6th or not. You can submit it here also. Otherwise, you just take a snapshot or scan it. Okay, you better you scan it and make a PDF file, and all of your files you just put them in a single file and you send it to me. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you people, if in between your whenever you will come to college also, if you have any doubt in any topic from artificial intelligence, then you can come to me and ask me. Otherwise, if you will tell me, then I can conduct one doubt clearing classes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.